Hey everybody, hope you're doing okay. So this is the second video I'm recording. In the last video, I have just briefly go over the process of brand identity design, in which I have explained there are all the 7 steps that I personally take to create a brand from scratch to finish. So yeah, this is the second video, but in this video I will be explaining the first step of the process, which was mind map. So from our first step in mind map, what we usually do is we write the brand name in the center. So from there, what we do is we write related words basically. So here the brand name, our brand name is Bull Bar. So Bull Bar is basically a company which makes energy bars for sports persons, for athletes, and for army persons, for anybody who need protein or energy throughout their day. So it's basically a subsidiary of you can think of it like a Red Bull, which is basically a drink, but Bull Bar is basically a chocolate type kind of product which will be introduced in the market. So we are doing the branding for that. So from Bull Bar, what there are two main words, bull and bar. From bull, what we have experienced and what we have seen in our society is basically what we associate with bull is this power, and from power what we associate is force and energy. And from force and energy, what we use these two things in our sports, in our wars, or in any other kind of activity. So basically, in sports and wars, but how we use it to boost our energy and to win or lose the game. So, and the second thing, what I have right here is bar. From bar, what we conducted is what we associated with is like a chocolate bar. It could be a chocolate bar. Chocolate bar is sweet. Sweet give us an energy burst, and which give us force, which then give us performance, and which through performance, what we achieve something, and through achievement, we had certain purpose linked. So chocolate is also dark, so I mentioned the color dark. So from sweet, what I have linked is lines, because chocolate bar has typically these kind of shape, like bar shape, like these kind of line shapes in which the chocolate is divided basically. So these are the typical lines that we have I have drawn from the chocolate shape, and from this I resemble a wings kind of structure, and from wings I drive the word fly basically. And from wings, what other symbol that I have visualized is this kind of line structures. And from these these kind of shapes, I have drawn the psychology of key, because these diagonal lines mostly show speed. So let's come back to the upper part. So here, yes, so the other words that I have derived from the bull is horns, basically horns of the bull, which mostly resembles danger. Danger resembles basically damage sometimes, and sometimes it's resemble fear. So one other word that is related to it is kind of adventure, and through adventure the fear came in, and through fear we go about excitement. So basically, so this is how you can relate the whole bunch of words in your mind map. Mind map, what I have concluded is this: uh, the logo should have letter B and B in itself, and the other key element that should be included somehow in the logo should be will be power, speed, and horns. Now I have to make the logo in a way which could show the letter B and B. Then it should have be drawn in certain kind of way where it could be in this kind of shape, where they balance the power with each other shapes. And the second thing is the diagonal shapes is also will going to be representing the speed. And obviously, if we do certain thing with these bars, we can make the horns of a bull. So by doing this, we will gonna have beautiful meaning and concept behind our logo. So this is how we design a logo. So that's why a mind map is really crucial to making a good logo which have a meaning, purpose, and concept behind itself. So this is the second part